how to connect a MySQL user to a database and set privileges in GoDaddy. So let's start the video tutorial. Once we log into GoDaddy hosting account, we need to go to the My Products page. And in this page, we need to scroll down to the web hosting section and click Manage button. Next in this page, we need to click cPanel Admin button, which brings us to this cPanel settings page in GoDaddy. On the main dashboard, scroll down and click on the MySQL Databases option. This will take you to the MySQL Databases page. Now scroll to the Add User to Database section. Here, in the first field, select the user you want to connect. And in the second field, select the database you want to connect it to. Now click on the Add button to continue. This will take you to the User Privileges page. Here, you can select or remove the permissions for the user. For full access, you can select all privileges. Now, click on the Make Changes button. And done, the user is now connected to the database. This is how you can connect a MySQL user to a database and set privileges in GoDaddy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.